Very good morning, class 11. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to e-learning platform of our school. Dear student, yesterday we completed usage of article the, and now today I have decided to proceed ahead, to go ahead with other determiners. Students, demonstrative adjectives are also used as determiners in new grammar. As you know that demonstratives adjectives are the adjectives which demonstrate the noun standing near or standing at distant place. 4 words, these, that, these and those, they are used as demonstratives as well as determiners. Students, these and that are singular. They are used for nearby objects. You can say nearby noun. They are similar in that sense because both are singulars and both take singular verb along with singular noun. The difference is that this is used for near objects while that is used for distant object. Likewise, these is plural of this and those is plural of that. These and those, they are plural and they take plural verbs as well as nouns. So students, while you have to use demonstratives as determiners, please keep the differences as well as similarities in your mind. If you make a mistake, your answer will go wrong. Now students, we have to study indefinite adjectives which are also used as determiners. 4 indefinite adjectives, each, every, any one, they are used with countable nouns. Some, any, all, a lot of, most, more, no, none of the, used with countable as well as uncountable as per demand. Many, several, few, one of the, both, a couple of, much, less, little, they are used with countable and uncountable as per the rules that we have to study ahead. Students, now be with me and we are trying to learn the usage of some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentences and in questions with S as expected answers. If the sentence is positive or affirmative, you have to use some. Examples, he has some doubts about your scheme. You are thirsty, would you like some cold water? Here the expected answer is positive and you are bound to say yes because helping sentence has already been used earlier where the confirmation is needed. Students, any is used in negative sentences and questions. It cannot be used in affirmative sentences. Please keep this difference in mind. I am making it clear. Absolute clear difference is now being stated here. So, any is used in negative sentences and questions. I don't have any novel to read. Do you have any spare room? You find the first one is negative and the second one is interrogative. Now students, we have to see and learn the usage of much and many. These two adjectives which are later on used as determiners have similar Hindi meaning. They are used for more than required, but difference stands. What is the difference and what precautions would we keep in mind while using much and many? Much indicates a large amount. It is used with only uncountable nouns. What kind of noun you have to keep in mind? Uncountable nouns. If noun is uncountable, it is generally used in singular tone and meaning. Example I am sharing here. How much money do you have? She showed much interest in Rakesh. Third example, India has made much progress in IT. Students, so keep in mind uncountable noun should be there and it is used where a large amount is indicated. Students, many indicates a large number, not amount. Difference is very important that you have to keep in mind. Amount and number. Number is not singular, or if it is singular, we have not to use many. It should be a large number and it is only used with countable nouns in plural tone. How many boys were there? Many people do not know how to sleep properly. I know many Americans. So differences will help you in bringing out the real usage of much and many, where should they be used, and what important steps or rules should we keep in our mind while using this. Students, now move to use of a lot of or lots of. We can use a lot of or lots of in place of much or many in an informal way. You have a lot of time to do it. You have a lot of time to do it. Lots of people are still unfaithful. We had to face lots of trouble there. Lots of books are available on this subject. So these examples will make you aware where should we use a lot of or lots of. The way should be informal and they are generally used in place of much and many. Students, now move to use of plenty of. Plenty of indicates a fairly good amount or number. It means it may be used with both amount and number. Examples will make you aware of the use. There is plenty of milk in the fridge. This is uncountable. This is amount. Second example, we bought plenty of books for them. It is countable. It is not uncountable. Here it is going to just teach us about number. Students, the next use is use of a little or little. A little indicates some amount and little indicates very small amount of something. Both are used before uncountable noun. So keep it in mind, little or little should be used with uncountable nouns only. They should not be used with countable nouns. A little indicates some amount while little indicates very small amount. It means it is negative in itself. Give me a little water, please. Even little help will encourage the maid. Maid means servant here. Students, now move to use of. Now move towards use of few and few. Of few indicates some and few indicates a very small number. These both adjectives which are generally used as determiners are used before countable noun. Little or little used before uncountable, while a few and few used before countable nouns. Only a few persons know me here. Some. Here a few stands for some persons. Few chairs were empty, a small number, very few. Quite a few can indicate a fairly large number. Quite a few persons know me here, a good number of persons know me here. Students, rest of the uses along with homework will be given to you in next video. So stay healthy, stay at home and do the homework that I am giving you continuously in only school copy. No any other outside copy is allowed for doing your homework. So buy the copy. If you have not bought, copies are available at prep school from where you can buy it. Thank you.